Assalamualaikum. Good morning, third graders. How are you? Alhamdulillah, Miss Maulida is good too, thank you. Welcome back to Science Lesson, everyone. Okay, is anyone still remember what will our topic be today? Yes, it's about the plants. Let's start. Wow, we can see many different types of plants here. Can you mention what are they? Yes, there is a lily pad, and then a cactus, a rose, and a tree. There are so many different types of plants. Okay, how are they different, Miss? So, they are different in many ways. For example, some of the plants can live in the water, but some of the plants live in the ground. Some of the plants are big, like the tree, but some of them are small, like the rose flowers. Okay, so now you have seen that plants are different in types. Okay, now let's discuss about parts of the plants. In the previous meeting, we have seen some of the parts of the plant. So now we're just going to review. Can you help me to mention the parts of the plant? Great! Let's label this plant from the bottom to the top. Can you help me with this one? Yes, it's a roots. What about this one? Yeah, it's stem. What about this one? You're correct, it's leaves. What about this one? It's a flower. And what about this one? Here we have a sunflower. And we have, what does the sunflower has in the middle of its flower? It's seed. Well done, everyone. Okay, now let's continue to discuss the function of each part. And as you know, the roots, it is located under the ground, right? And what's the function of the root? It has function to support the plant, supporting so that the plant can, stand firmly, and also the roots also collect water from the soil. Okay, next we have stem. As you have learned in grade 1 also, the stem is responsible for transporting the water around the plant. For example, from the roots to the leaves or vice versa. And the last one, we also have flowers to help the plant to make the seed, and leaves as the factory for the plants to make food. Okay. Alright, now I want you to take a look at this picture. And what do you think about this? Plants. Yeah, the plants are very fresh and healthy. We can see that the fruits, like the tomatoes, are very fresh. The leaves also are very green and firm, right? And then let's see the next slide. They are very different, I know. So what happened with them? Okay, here on the top we have a dry plant. Can you guess why the plants turn into like this? Yes, because maybe someone forgot to water the plant. Poor plant. And this one as well, alright? When there is not too much water, the plant will be wilt. Okay. What about this one? E, what is it, miss? Okay, so here there is like infection in the roots. So the normal or the healthy roots, it's supposed to be like this, but where the root is not healthy, it will swollen like this. If the root is swollen like this picture, so that it cannot work properly to absorb the water. What about the last picture? There is like yellow rust on the leaves. Yeah, so this plant is also sick because there is also contamination that make the leaves to be like rusty. Okay, so now you have seen that the healthy plants and unhealthy plants. Okay, now let's have a quick review for what you have learned today. So, as we have seen, most plants have roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. And healthy plants will have healthy roots, stem, and leaves. But the plant with unhealthy root, stem, and leaves will not grow well. Good job. Okay, so last but not least, after watching this video, I want you to answer these questions, okay? And you may write the answer on your notebook. And we're gonna discuss together during a Zoom meeting after this session. Okay, everyone? Thank you so much. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.